Welcome to Jacqueline Marie Living. I'm Jacqueline Marie. I'm so excited that you're visiting my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, please take a moment to subscribe so you won't miss any of the episodes coming in the summer and fall. On this episode, we're going to be doing a delicious recipe with strawberries called strawberry Tanghulu. Also, we're going to be doing an unboxing of the dog food that Stella, our dog, gets on the mail. So let's go and start making the strawberry recipe. I'm so excited to do this recipe because it is delicious. So for this recipe, you need strawberries, you need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and then you're going to get a container with water and ice cubes. And also you need some sticks to hold the strawberries. We're going to start to wash all these strawberries and then we're going to dry them really well. I'm preparing this recipe today to have it for Memorial Day holiday. Please comment below and let me know what are you doing for Memorial Day. After the strawberries are all dry, I'm going to put these sticks on each of them. I decided to leave the green leaves because I like the contrast between the red and the green. But it's totally up to you if you want to leave them on. I'm going to transfer strawberries to a bowl and have them ready next to the stove. I'm going to turn the stove to a medium heat first. And I'm going to add the sugar and the water to the pot and swirl it with the handle of the pot. It is important that we make the caramel in a medium heat so it doesn't burn. The sugar will be dissolved with the heat and you have to cook it until it reaches about 300 degrees Fahrenheit with the baking thermometer. My baking thermometer broke when we moved into this house, so I had to buy a new one, but I'm going to monitor the temperature closely so it doesn't overcook or burn. It's been about 15 minutes since I started cooking and I think it's almost ready, so I'm going to turn off the temperature and start dipping the strawberries. This caramel is very hot, so you have to exercise caution when you dip the strawberries. And make sure that there is no kids around in the kitchen. After dipping the strawberry, you're going to let it drain any excess of the sugar and immediately you're going to put it in the cold water so the sugar hardens. This process has to be done pretty fast because otherwise the sugar will crystallize. And there you have it, a simple and easy recipe of a strawberry Tanghulu. Strawberries look beautiful and they taste delicious. The red color looks beautiful with the coat of sugar. When I was at the supermarket this morning, there was a lot of cookies decorated for the holiday, so I'm going to put a few of them on the platter to complement the strawberries. And now let's move on to unbox Stella's dog food. Looks like the UPS man delivered the food for Stella. Stella's food is from the farmer's dog. We get delivered a 2-month supplies every 2 months. I want to mention that this video is not sponsored by the farmer's dog. I'm talking about the farmer's dog food because we really like the food. We switched Stella to this brand of food and since then she hasn't had any stomach problems. This dog food is customized based on the information that we provided to the company about our dog. Stella gets beef, pork, and chicken. The box also includes a feeding guide. Please comment below and let me know if you also use this kind of food for your dog. And as you can see, Stella cannot wait to devour her food. She enjoys eating this food every day. Stella is 11 years old and is very healthy and active. She's a Chihuahua mixed dog. And this is it for today. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and I hope you join me next time on Jacqueline Marie Living. See you then.